Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So it's been a while mga Lodi Cakes. For today, magsasagot tayo ng isang problem coming from the 2024 UP Math Circle, Search for the Nationwide Math Wizard. And this came from the average question of the first round, I think. So before natin to sagutan mga Lodi Cakes, shoutout muna dun sa mga na-meet ko sa UP Diliman kung saan sobrang daming mga math wizards yung sumali and sobrang solid yung lahat. As in, hindi lang naman yung mga winners pero lahat po nung sumali, sobrang solid nyo kasi being part of the competition means na magaling ka talaga, idol. So ito yung time limit natin, 60 seconds. The number 42,849 has two distinct prime factors A and B. Find A, B. So this was asked in the oral competition or in the orals round. So dapat talaga mabilis yung intuition mo. Paano mo ba ito gagawin? Since nanonood ako dun sa likod, ang first na naisip ko, syempre ang pinaka-first na thinking ng mga Lodi Cakes natin is i-divide to manually. Kumbaga, i-divide mo by 3, divisible siya by 3, etc. to determine the prime factors. But my first intuition, when I saw this problem, ganito agad yung ginawa ni Sir IJ. So this is 42,849. The first step I did when I was sitting behind, at the back, and solving the problem, so ang ginawa ko kasi, ginawa ko tong 40,000 plus 2,800 plus 49, in which this is 200 squared plus ito 2 times 200 times 7 plus 7 squared. And then if you recall the square of binomial, which is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared equals a plus b quantity squared. Ayun, nagmagic na si Sir IJ. So ito pala, pwede natin tong gawin as 200 plus 7 squared. So this is manageable talaga within or less than 60 seconds. So that is 207 squared. And alam ko ang 207 is divisible by 9. Since 2 plus 0 plus 7 is 9. So this is equal to 23 times 9 quantity squared. So considering na ang 9 is 3 squared mga idolo, so gawin natin ganyan yan. So you have here 23 squared multiplied by 3, 2 times 2, that's 4. So the prime factors are 23 and 3, in which the product of 23 times 3 is equal to 69. That's why it is the correct answer. Ang hilig talaga sa 69, ano mga idol? Hindi, joke lang. Ayun guys, sana nakuha niyo yung approach ko and yun. Yun lang talaga yung naging first intuition ko when I saw the problem during last Saturday's math competition. And congrats din sa mga nanalo. Sobrang solid nyo and I hope Iman goes for the forfeit next year. And maraming salamat sa mga patuloy na sumusuport sa channel ni Sir IJ. I hope you all the best mga Lodi Cakes. Bye-bye and God bless.